Hello my family, today we're taking a look at VEVOR's. This is their semi-line airline truck kit. So let's open it up, show you guys kind of what you get here. Let's go ahead and move this box down. Alright, here we go. So it's just kind of an unboxing just to show you guys what you get in the kit. Take a look at the quality. Yeah, seems to be nice quality. So, fun fact, my father owned his own tractor and trailer growing up, and he was on the road. Well, I don't believe he was overnight driver, but yeah. Yeah, quality definitely seems to be there. Alright, let's see in the box. Looks like some more line tape and just kind of a little manual in here just to kind of go over some more specs. You can pause the video if you want to read the specs in case you lose your manual. Pause the video and pause the video. But yeah, just a simple kit, you know. It's nice.